Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's downstairs. We just got back from eating out. And had a package that came in, so I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Another package.
From thecubicle.com.
I got another package from thecubicle.com. Let's see what I got. A Pyraminx, a MagLev, a 2x2, another 3x3, a 4x4, a very good looking 5x5, another cube mat, a smart cube, and many more 3x3.
You all know what this is, right? It's the $3.99 Rubik's Cube. In case you don't know, trying to collect 100 of these to give out for tours of Tots, and I ordered a whole bunch. They combined 2 orders on this one. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got 11 of these. I did not order that much. And then I got 2 of these. Now, I never had these before. I bought these to see how they work because they were also $3.99. So I wanted to see how it was. Comes with, of course, directions. So I wanted to see how this was, so maybe I'll buy. Yeah. I like these too, yeah. It's nice and smooth. I like it. But it's a little locky. But I think for a $3.99 cube, feels like it's dusty. But that just might be me. I like these cubes. I just don't like that round hexagon center they have there. To me, that's not appealing to me. I'd rather have it fully rounded. But that's just, But I got 2 of these. I'll put them in the box. I won't count them, but I'll stick them in there. I'm just not a big fan of it. But all together, that was 1, 2 of those. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 altogether I got for that. So. I got a couple more of these QiYi FTO tile, magnetic tile. I like these cubes. It's this one right here. I'm not going to open these up right now, but that's this cube right here, and I love this FTO. It's nice and smooth. Look, you can't even barely hear it. And then it snaps to its position. And I like that. Plus, I just like the way it looks. Like I mentioned in the other video, all the triangles are the same size. And I dig that. I really do. And plus, it looks like a vintage Rubik's Cube with the black and the stickers. These are not stickers, they're tile. So I got 2 more, just in case I needed to make some more training cubes like I have here. Where are my training cubes at? This training cube is the all white. And to get the triples, this one, I was messing around. I just solved all the triples on this one. So that one, and then, what's another one there? Right here. This is the one where I have the white full center, and then I taped it so it won't move because I have a problem with, when you grab it, you can only do the top, the U, and the R, and the R white slice. But I always mess that up. My 2 triples, so I taped it up with Scotch tape so it won't move. So this is step 3 of the Francisco method to get the 3 centers: orange, green, and gray. Is it green, gray, orange? Green, gray, orange is the color scheme. So I can do that. But now when I go on to the next stage, I might want to make another training cube. I'm not there yet, so They're my two right there, in case you don't think I'm lying to you. And these are $21.99. They're not bad. I'm waiting for a new FTO to come out. I was going to email the Cubicle to see if they got any word in, if Gang's making one or another great company is making one, so I can look forward to it. But they're probably not going to tell me, even if they know. So my next thing is, bam! I think it was 29 something, but I'm not sure. So, wrapped up pretty good. Alright. I like the box because I'm big on orange. Oh, and it's easy to open too today. And I have my DaYan Pyraminx, and my other one, which I forget the name of it. I'll put it on the screen. And those are nice. And then, oh, I have this one too. I forget the name of it. I'll put it on the screen. And I like this one too, even though it locks up a little bit. But I like it. I like it a lot. Well, here we go. Comes with directions and probably a way to adjust your settings on this one. Yep, settings adjustment. Ooh, nice in color. Look at that. It's in color and everything. I like that. Very nice. Keep that in the box. It's a very nice box, so I'm definitely keeping the box. What's funny is this company does it on the red, Gang does it on the blue, and the other one was on the yellow, was the logo. Which is nice. Then you can identify it quicker that way. I hope this is good. I was hoping for another good one. Ooh, it's UV. Ooh, look at that. Look at that shine. Let me see if I can get it to shine. The corners turn too easily. So look, they don't lock. I don't like that. Because the way I turn, I'm always going to do this. And there's always going to be like, and then I got to do an extra twist to try to fix. I don't. Is this supposed to be magnetic? I'm not sure. Yeah, it's too easy to turn. I don't like that at all. You only have to turn it either once that way or that way. If it's wrong, you only have to turn it once. That way or that way. So it's either there or there, and you only have to turn it once to fix it. You don't have to turn it anymore, so why did it make it so easy for it to turn? I don't get that. I'd rather have it locked in. Once you turn it, it locks in a little bit. So if you accidentally hit it, it's not going to spin. Yeah, to me that's weird. I don't like it. It needs a little lubing, I think, but it feels very nice though. The UV is nice. All right, let me do some. Oh yeah, I like that too. Yeah. Yeah. It's not wowing me. And like, look, I touched it, and now look. That one's not a +2, but that would be a +2 right there. And I don't want to worry about the tips. Like I said, the tips, all you got to do is, if it's orientated wrong, you either turn it to the right or to the left, and it's perfect. So these are just very annoying when they're not in the right position. You just got to turn it. If you know the color scheme, you can do it, so quickly. Even if you mess up and turn it the other way, it's 2 turns, so it's not a big deal. But they should snap. I think these right here should snap into place, and held there. So, because it's not like you need it for a quick turning. Am I right or am I wrong here? You only need to turn it once, so it's not a big deal. Let's do one more side. See, I like the way it turns. I just don't like the tips. So everything about this triangle I actually like, except for these things should snap. Just like the one I showed you. Here, let me show you this one. Yeah, see, it snaps. Once you turn it, and it's going to stay there. If you hit it by accident, it's not going to. It might turn eventually, but I'm just saying it's not going to turn. So that's better, and I think the gang one is definitely better. No, the gang one's a little. Oh, that's not the gang one. This is the other one. The one I had was the gang. So that's better. This one's a little loosey-goosey too. So I love this one, and I love my gang. This one is okay. Like I said, I like the way it turns. It's just these tips are too loosey-goosey. Can I adjust them? No, it's just stuck by magnets. See? They do have a magnet. It does snap, but the magnet is not that strong. So yeah, I don't like it because of that. Yeah, it's too loosey-goosey. I don't like it. I don't want to solve it and have to worry about the tips. But you don't have to worry about them when you're turning and then they flip like that. Yeah, I don't like it. I have to give it a. I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5. I like it. Turned right there too, just by me touching it. I like it. I like the UV. I like the way it turns. I think it needs maybe a tad, little bit of lube, maybe. I'm not 100% sure. But these tips, they're too loosey-goosey. I'm not a big fan. I'm not a big fan. I mean, it's going to be okay to practice with, but I just don't like how, like I said, the tips. 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5. Not a big fan. I like the box, but I'm not a big fan. Well, that's it. That's all I have. Bam, 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 bam. So that is all I have. If you have any questions, comment down below. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
So come on and solve, let the puzzles align. In the Cuban community, you will always shine. The QuiYi rated in the haze. Join us in the journey, let's embrace this space. From closer to clarity, be wise to the top. In a world of Cuban, we'll never stop.